What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, to this video. See this car right here? 4 tires. What about the spare tire? In this video, I'm gonna show you where the spare tire is in this Subaru and how to get it all inflated. Before we get started, welcome to the channel. Do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Click that subscribe button, like this video if it ends up helping you out, and share this video or channel with somebody that you know. And also, if you're interested in making cash like I am, I'm gonna show you how to make your own YouTube channel. Yeah, this is real money. It's helped our family quite a bit. I've got a free course and a master's course you can check out. I'm gonna teach you step by step how you can do the same thing. Click that link in the description below to learn more. All right, back to business here. So we've got the hatchback open in this Subaru Forester, and we're gonna take out the mats here first of all. This is the custom Subaru mat that comes standard with this particular vehicle. And check this out. Got a little trap door, kind of neat, with 2 hinges there. So we're gonna take those out. It just kind of pops off. Now, obviously your vehicle may be different, but this should give you kind of a general idea if your spare tire is located underneath or in the back part of your vehicle. Now there's all these little trim pieces that are carpeted, 2 of them actually, not a lot, that complement that trapdoor piece that we just removed. And there's this little foam tray thing that you can kind of organize a bunch of, your jumper cables and bungee cords or anything like something like that. So here we go. We've got the jack kit right there, or the lug nut, whatever you call that thing, in the event of a spare tire. We're not actually going to be changing the spare tire, but this piece also kind of pops out. Just kind of got to wiggle it. It snaps in there in the corner. I'm poking around here because I actually had a gallon of water. It's hot in the summer, that kind of, it actually ended up, the bottle just got so hot it kind of squeezed and the water came out and ended up draining and filling up this little compartment back there. So that's another story. Here is the spare tire right here. You can see this is the jack unit. We're going to take that out. And then how do you get the spare tire out from here? Well, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, take this piece out, put that in a safe place where it's not lost or falls down into any particular crevice. That would be bad news. And then we'll, with one hand, just pick up the spare tire. It's not super heavy. And we're gonna be checking this for air, of course, to make sure that it's properly inflated. So here's how you do that. We'll take our little tire gauge here, unscrew the cap and pop that on, and it should tell you what that is reading. And on the side of the tire right there, you should be able to see what your PSI ratings are. So in this case, we're a little low, significantly low. I have not checked this in quite some time. So we'll take it out, bring it into the garage, get the air compressor booted up, and we'll get that filled to the appropriate PSI so that in the event of a flat tire, we will have to not deal with this on the side of the road. I do travel with a portable air compressor, so if that happens, I can appropriately inflate that, right on the side of the road. But it's better to be prepared and do this every once in a while. Define every once in a while. I think it depends on your climate, where you live. But in my case, maybe a few times a year would be good. I need to follow my own advice, though. I probably haven't looked at this for probably a year or more. So anyway, we're inflated to the appropriate PSI. Now we keep in mind the orientation of the tire, which side goes up, which side goes down. The air nozzle goes down in this particular case. And then we'll take this thing and lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, tighten that up firmly, and then place the jack piece in the middle. And it does have to be kind of aligned. Well, it doesn't have to be, but I'm going to turn that a little tighter and get that little piece. You can see it slips over like that, holding it in place. Subaru did a nice job, I think, designing this, making sure everything is super compact and easy to access. In our other vehicle, getting to the jack piece is really difficult, cumbersome, and requires an engineering degree, I think, to figure out how to take it out and put it back. So, all right, so we'll take the trim pieces. Now this is pretty simple. We're on the home stretch. All the trim pieces go back into order. We're just reversing the process. And then we'll take the trapdoor carpeted piece here and see, it's all with one hand. This is pretty easy. Make sure everything is tucked down appropriately. And there's 2 hinges. We're just gonna get those aligned just like that. And then that should open and close with ease. And then our custom factory Subaru mat here, get that going. Might as well clean it too, if you're looking for something to do in the interim, but do that later. And then my portable air compressor in the event I need to do this, like I said before, on the side of the road. So there it is, pretty easy job. Now we're good to go and we can drive off with confidence, knowing that if we have a flat tire, we can be ready to rock. Hopefully this video's helped you out. Thanks.